At Pencilwrench, we know there's no substitute for great documentation. That's why we've got another industry first that's easy to use and guaranteed to save time. Our new complaint software streamlines the service appointment process with a simple flowchart style interface. Just point, click, and fill in the blanks. And just like that, you've enabled everyone on your team to immediately have the skill necessary to ask the right questions and capture accurate customer concerns every time an appointment is made. With this better documentation process, your appointment coordinators are guaranteed to provide the most comprehensive complaint lines. This means service technicians are faster and more accurate, leading to more fixed right the first time repairs. Not only do your technicians save time by getting a faster diagnosis, your dealership reduces the number of comeback repairs and unsatisfied customers by getting it right the first time. And that's just the beginning. To learn more about what our complaint software can do for your dealership, give us a call at 855-733-9807.